Understanding Acts of Violence, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that you might come across in news, literature, or everyday conversation: acts of violence. Understanding this phrase is not just about the words, but also the context in which they are used. Let's explore this together. Acts of violence is a phrase composed of two key parts: acts and violence. An act refers to an action or deed, something that is done by a person or group. Violence, on the other hand, is the behavior involving physical force intended to hurt, damage, or kill someone or something. When these words are combined, they describe any actions that result in physical harm or damage. This phrase is often used in various contexts. It can appear in news reports describing events like wars, fights, or criminal activities. In literature or movies, it might be used to describe the nature of a character or the setting of a story. It's also found in legal contexts, where it describes the nature of a crime. Understanding the context is crucial to grasp the full meaning of the phrase. Let's look at some examples of how acts of violence can be used in sentences. 1. The police are investigating acts of violence that occurred during the protest. 2. The novel depicts the acts of violence that shaped the protagonist's life. 3. International organizations condemn acts of violence in conflict zones. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different situations. Understanding synonyms or related phrases can broaden your comprehension. Phrases like violent acts, aggression, or physical assault carry similar meanings. However, each phrase might have a slightly different emphasis or usage depending on the context. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase acts of violence. Remember, the key is not just in the words, but in the context in which they are used. Stay curious and keep exploring the English language. See you in our next video.